Hi, this is John Stewart, and this is how to tie the figure 8 knot. The figure 8 knot is used by climbers. There's the basic figure 8 that leads into the other two versions of the figure 8 that you see used most. Climbers use these knots to basically start the other two knots. If you have a figure 8, you can tie a figure 8 follow-through. Figure 8 follow-through is used for when you tie directly into your climbing harness and you don't have any hardware such as a carabiner to clip into. If you have carabiners or other anchor points that you clip into, you're going to take and tie a figure 8 on the bike. This is where you're going to double over your rope and tie a large figure 8, and you'll have a set loop in the end that's not going to come undone. But I'm going to show you how to tie the basic figure 8 that leads into all of this. You're going to take your rope, put a bight in it, and leave it hanging, okay? Cross it, holding the tag end, go around the back, and then up through the front, and let it fall. And that's how to tie the figure 8 knot.